What is meant by extreme weather? Give examples. Extreme weather refers to unusual or severe weather conditions that are far from normal patterns. Examples include heavy floods, heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and snowstorms. Discuss main threats of climatic changes. The main threats include rising temperatures, melting glaciers, sea level rise, food shortages, and increased natural disasters like floods and storms. Define global warming. Global warming is the gradual increase in the Earth's average temperature due to greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trapping heat in the atmosphere. What are consequences of global warming? It causes melting ice caps, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, and health problems for humans. What is distinct about the lifestyle of people of coastal areas? People in coastal areas depend on fishing and trade, eat seafood, and build houses suited to humid and storm-prone environments. What are the main causes of climate change? Introduction. Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, rainfall, and weather patterns. These changes are mainly caused by human activities. The most important causes are human activities. Burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This increases the greenhouse effect and raises global temperatures. Deforestation is another major cause because cutting trees reduces the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Industrial activities and vehicle emissions also release harmful gases. Agriculture contributes through methane gas produced by livestock and farming practices. Natural causes. Natural factors include volcanic eruptions, which release gases and ash into the atmosphere, and changes in solar energy from the sun. However, these natural causes have a smaller impact compared to human activities. Conclusion. In conclusion, human activities are the main drivers of climate change today, and controlling them is essential to protect the environment. Explain relationship between extreme weather and climate change. Introduction. Extreme weather includes unusual and severe weather conditions such as floods, droughts, storms, and heat waves. Climate change has a strong connection with these events. Increase in temperature. Global warming increases the Earth's temperature, which adds more energy to the atmosphere. This extra energy leads to stronger and more frequent extreme weather events. Impact on rainfall. Climate change disturbs rainfall patterns. Some areas receive heavy rainfall causing floods, while others face very little rain leading to droughts. Stronger storms and heat waves. Warmer oceans make storms and hurricanes more powerful. Heat waves are becoming more common and intense due to rising temperatures. Conclusion. Thus, climate change is directly responsible for increasing the intensity, frequency, and unpredictability of extreme weather events. Differentiate climate patterns of Karachi and New York. Introduction. Karachi and New York have very different climates due to their geographical locations. Climate of Karachi. Karachi has a hot desert climate. Summers are very hot, while winters are mild. Being close to the sea, it has high humidity. Rainfall is low and mainly occurs during the monsoon season. Climate of New York. New York has a temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Summers are warm, and winters are very cold with snowfall. Rainfall occurs throughout the year. Key differences. Karachi has a generally hot climate with little seasonal variation, while New York experiences clear seasonal changes. Karachi is humid due to the sea, whereas New York has both hot and cold extremes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Karachi's climate is warm and stable, while New York's climate is more varied with significant seasonal differences.